Getting started with Productive Habit Tracker.
This Seats is an easy-to-use app designed to help you build and maintain positive habits. Automating reminders ensures you never miss a task. In this guide, we'll walk you through setting up scheduled notifications so you can stay on track and reach your goals more efficiently.
Creating your first habit.
To begin, open the Productive app and tap the plus sign to add a new habit. Enter the habit name, choose an icon and color, then set how often you want to repeat it. This prepares the app to send you tailored reminders for each task you want to develop.
Setting up automated reminders.
After you've created a habit, tap on it to access the settings. Here, you can select reminders. Specify the days and times you want to receive notifications. Productive will now automatically send you gentle prompts at the scheduled times, helping you stay consistent without manual tracking.
Customizing alerts and preferences.
You can choose if you want a single daily reminder or multiple reminders throughout the day. Adjust notification sounds and snooze settings to suit your style. If you prefer subtlety or need more persistent nudges, Productive lets you personalize your alert methods for each individual habit.
Tracking progress and staying motivated.
As you complete your habits, mark them as done in the app. Productive logs your streaks and shows your progress with clear charts and motivating encouragement. Automated reminders keep you accountable, while visual feedback helps you see how your efforts add up over time.